Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel, Louisa Lifestyle and Travel. We are here doing the unboxing again, guys. So as you see here, what we have here is it's a jewelry from J's Avery. So let's go ahead and see what I got here today. Of course, you don't wanna alright, okay, anyway, so they even she did really good as far as boxing this up. So let's just see the first one that I got here. Ooh. Yes, look at this, guys. Yeah, see that? So they don't have a big size, but this is what I got. So this is what, yes. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna wear them right now. I'll wear it later on. So that's the first one. Here's the second one. So sterling silver, guys. The second one is, look, see that? Perfect. Yeah, they have James Avery, their jewelry, it's really good there, guys. That's where my daughter got her jewelry. Sterling silver, you can never go wrong with sterling silver. Okay, here's the third one. Oops. Come on. Are you there? Oh, there you go. See this right here? Goes here. Last one. Look at this one. It's pretty. Great. This is awesome. For today, I have not purchased any jewelry in a long time, so so today I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and just buy some today. So I did, and I have not purchased any jewelries for years and years. So this is my gift for myself. Sterling silver, not gold, sterling silver, guys. That's all. So anyway, that's all, guys. Thank you very much, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and end this video. I really appreciate everyone, to all my friends and everyone who's always there supporting my channel. Thank you so much. And we are praying to have a billion subscriber to our YouTube channel, and we're gonna get there, guys. So we just continue for what we're doing, and God willing, God will bless us, and every single friends that we have in YouTube, that we're gonna reach our goal, million, not just million. We're gonna aim for billion subscriber in Jesus' name. So thank you guys. I love you guys. I love you all. God bless us all. God bless you and your family always. Bye.